Hello guys, and today we'll be reviewing the Grippy ink pen from Reynolds. As you can see, this is the Grippy ink pen which we've got from Reynolds, and it is green in color. It is a very good pen which I have using from more over 5 to 6 days, and I am having very good reviews with it. It works well. It's a smooth, durable and a reliable pen. So we get the whole pen like this. The first impressions are like this. We have many different colors, like we have the blue one, the pink one, the yellow one and the green one. Today I have the green and the yellow one with me. It's a very good pen. Here we have the Reynolds cap, okay? And there we have this cap with it. This is the body of the pen. It is a very glossy body for ₹35 and it looks very good from outside also. This is the whole pen which you get. When we get the whole pen, we get it from the box. We get an extra nib for the pen. This is very good. This is an extra nib that we get from this pen. And it's a company named as Reynolds. For a ₹35 pen, it's very durable, very reliable and it works amazingly. So here you go. It's an eyedropper pen, not a piston converter, neither a cartridge also. So you can see it's like this. This is the nib. It has a medium nib which writes absolutely well. This is the eyedropper. It's actually very fixed, so we have to remove it very smoothly. We can use this. It has enormous of ink, significant ink to use over 1 week time, as I am in 7th standard, so it's very durable and very reliable. There are also some of the leak issues with it, but I have not seen. You just have to clean your pen regularly with a paper towel. I do it regularly when I have to pack my bag for the next day. So when I clean it, I have to clean it nicely. It looks absolutely great. Okay. So we have this pen. We close it. We have this also. It's again the same pen, but in yellow color, so you can use this also. The same nib and everything. You can also change the nib if you have any of the problems with the nib. They have given us an extra nib which is absolutely very good. It's a special crafted nib from Reynolds. Okay, here also see I have full ink over here. It's an eyedropper pen which gives you very sufficient and enormous of the ink. So no need to worry about this. I think it's a very reliable and a durable and a very good pen for its cost. It works well. So it's my humble opinion that every person should buy this pen. Till now, at least for now, 4 to 5 days, I've been using the Parker Quink ink with it. It's for ₹50. We have a 50 ml bottle with it. Just 2 minutes, guys. We can use this Parker Quink ink, or else we can use the Camlin ink. This Camlin ink is very good. It is for ₹18 and it gives you sufficient enough of ink. It is 60 ml and it's royal blue of Camlin fountain ink. This is the Parker Quink ink. We can remove it and we have the bottle. It looks like this. 50 ml ink for ₹50 as it's a brand. We can just simply do one thing. We can take this. If we have to fill ink, we can remove this. Okay. Once we remove this, we can remove this. Supposing if we don't have ink, I'm just putting the ink down. It's a very slow process to do it. You can take a dropper to put the ink down. I got the dropper from the shop itself. It is for ₹2. Only for ₹2. It's a very good dropper and you can drop all of the ink. So what we can do is, first the dropper is there. We put it into the bottle. We press it over and all of the ink here, as you can see, it comes down. All of the ink like this. When the ink comes down, you put it inside like this. To refill it nicely, you put it inside. You hold it from one edge of the cartridge. You put it down, down and down and down. Only once it is filled nicely, thoroughly, so that it can work properly. Now it is filled. You should not fill it to the top so that it may leak. So just fill it to the nice top. Okay? Now we take this. Okay? Like this. We put it. And then we are ready to flow. Amazing. Okay? I'll just clear up all of this stuff which I don't need. After you're clean with it, you can use a paper towel. It's just if you need, you can use a paper towel. But actually, you don't require to use a paper towel with it. It's a very glossy and a fine and a very good pen from Reynolds. And I'm very happy with it. It's named as the Reynolds Grippy. It looks absolutely amazing. We have also written one more thing here. They've written that you can only fill it with an eyedropper. The only con about the pen is you don't have the cartridge or you don't have the piston converter. It only comes with an eyedropper pen. So you cannot use the piston converter, neither the cartridge. Even if you use the piston converter is not worth it because it comes for ₹50. That's absolutely nothing because at least the pen is for ₹35. So it's my request type of that you should always use this pen with the eyedropper, because if you use with the cartridge or with the piston converter, it's absolutely not possible with it because Reynolds itself tells that this is not good. Okay, so you guys can see this is the pen. Now I just wanted to show you one more thing. There are ink bottles which I've used of Parker which get over very soon. So you may use these ink bottles 50 rupees per month as it gets over depending upon the use. It's a very good pen and you can use it for the long period of time. Thank you.